Hey, cutie. What are you doing awake? And the whole point of coming to bed together was so that we could go to sleep together. Otherwise, what's the point? Sorry, I'm in my voice. I'm tired, so... Oh my god. Why awake? Freaking feel that. I mean, not right now. Right now, I'm sleepy as fuck, but typically, fuck. I literally can't stop yawning. This is bullshit. Hey, babe. Hey, did you know that? Did you know that I love you? Because I really, really do love you. A lot. You know, if I had to pick one person in the entire world, like, you think about it, right? Think about half the world, and then times that by 2. That's the entire world. It's crazy. But think about it. If I had to pick one person to be my favorite person in that entire world, that entire 2 halves of the world, and a full world, it would be you. And I know, oh, I hate myself, oh, I'm depressed. I get it. And it's totally fine that you feel like that, but if you could see yourself through my eyes, you wouldn't be able to I don't think you would ever be able to doubt yourself again. You're just the greatest person in the world, and I sincerely, so genuinely mean that. What the fuck's with my yards? Why is it that I'm either severely suffering from insomnia or I can't stay awake? There is no in between, and I'm sick of it. But enough about my bitching. It would be okay if I cuddled you a little bit. Just a little bit. I want to be... So this is what it's like to be Big Spoon. It was like it's been forever. I'm stuck in my little backpack. My little nap backpack. Nap backpack. There we go, I got it. It's cold. This weather is shitty and I'm all about it. How about I'll just lay here and I'll cuddle you until one of us falls asleep, whoever that may be. One of us will fall asleep. In that event, the other one must then fall asleep. No, actually, before we even get to that part, I wanted to run something by you. I want you to give me your honest opinion, okay? I want you to fuck me up with your knowledge bombs. I know that right now I can't really go anywhere, but once all this shit's finished, I think I want to go get another tattoo. No, I know you're pretty cool with tattoos and stuff, but hear me out. I want to go and get my entire back tattooed. Just one full piece. What do you think? I bring this up when I have you trapped. Actually thinking, well, I'm really tossing up the designs, but I really want to get like this Medusa thing, like a portrait of a face, like this gorgeous like model image with like the snakes sort of coming around and stuff. But I really want it to accentuate her beauty, because I really dig the story that's associated with Medusa, and I think it's a good like life lesson I like to keep with me. It's like all my tattoos have meanings, and I think this is a really important one. It's like Medusa was like the most gorgeous woman like across the world, and what happened was, God, I have to remember this correctly. Aphrodite. Oh man, it was Aphrodite or Athena? Shit. No, I'm certain it was definitely Athena. So anyway, Athena started getting jealous because suddenly there was this woman who was just like equally as attractive, right? I'm telling this way out of order, but Medusa was also like a dedicated, what's the word? She worshipped Athena in one of her temples. It was like this beautiful like seaside temple, and Medusa was a priestess there, and all these men were like fascinated with her, but she refused all of them, because she was loyal to Athena. So Athena was like starting to get shitty and whatever, that's fine. But then one day Poseidon came from the ocean and approached Medusa because of how like notoriously attractive she was. And Medusa sort of like tried to deny his advances, tried to shut him down, but God of the sea and shit, God of being wet. Anyway, not appropriate. He pushed himself on her. She couldn't really do much, right? So she cried to her goddess. She cried to Athena, and Athena heard. But out of jealousy and spite, Athena turned her back on Medusa, and Poseidon had his way with Medusa. And then after all this, the icing on the cake, Athena comes down all shitty. She's like, "Yo, you slept with my god, man," and she curses Medusa out anger. Not Poseidon. Fuck that shit. Let's blame the victim here. She turned Medusa into like that snake lady that she's notorious for now. And they changed it so that if anyone was to look at her, they turned to stone because, you know, no one could. My brain's not with me. So now, no one could look at her face, and her beauty became redundant. That's the story of Medusa. The reason I think I should get it is, I mean, despite everything, you know, Medusa was loyal, which I respect. And at the end of the day, she was betrayed by people she put faith in. You know, very similar to some of the situations I've been in. And much like most of my other tattoos, it's, I guess, a reminder to not repeat that shit. Also, I think it'd be a really cool idea. I haven't seen many people do it, but I kind of want to do it. But then I have to get an artist to draw it, and that's going to be a nightmare. I could get tattooists to do it, but they're expensive. So I really don't know what I'm going to do, but I just want to run that by you. And then I could connect it to my arm. I could wrap around on my chest, and then get down my stomach, and my other arm down, and I'd just be covered in tattoos. Just completely everywhere. Face, tongue, eyes. Yeah. Maybe not quite that much. Keyword being quite. Very similar though. Just a little bit short of that. But anyway, go a bit. I'm distracted there. Now, back to cuddling the absolute snoot off your boot until you snoozed. Does that make sense? I mean, I'm tired, but I feel like that just makes sense. What if I was to hum you a tune? Alright, what about no, that was not soothing enough. Okay, well, okay, what about this one? That one is because I love you. Look, my humming, it's not great. You know, my excuse is I got this blocked nose, and you know, it's been like a rough day, and I had a glass of milk before, so I'm like a little bit phlegmy, you know. Sorry. I know this isn't really going to help you sleep much, but, well, I guess I might, but what I mean is it's not really me doing anything, but what if I just cuddled real close I just hold you real tight. And we just listen to the rain. And we just fall asleep. Sounds like okay. I really hope so, because I'm gonna fall asleep and this rain is killing me. Hey, cute face and all, but I love you.